Welcome! In this video, we're going to walk through a simple but very useful update: how to set notifications for shared items on Google Drive to silent. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by constant pings whenever someone shares a file with you, this quick setting adjustment will make things a lot more peaceful while still keeping you informed. Let's dive right into the steps. First, go to your phone's main settings. This is where you'll find everything you need to control how your apps notify you. Once you're inside, scroll down until you see the section for apps and tap on it. Next, look through your list of installed apps and find Google Drive. This is the app we'll be customizing today. Once you've selected Google Drive, the app's settings menu will open up. From here, tap on Notifications. This is the control center for everything related to how Drive alerts you. Because we only want to adjust shared item notifications, we'll take it a step further. Go ahead and tap on Notification Categories. Each type of Google Drive alert has its own category, and this is what allows us to fine-tune the experience. Now, within the list, you'll see a category labeled Shared Items. Tap on this option. Shared items are all the files or folders that other people send to you through Drive, and this is the notification we're going to modify. Once you're inside the Shared Items settings, look for the Alert Style options. Go ahead and select Silent. By choosing this, you'll still receive the notification, but your phone won't make a sound or vibrate to get your attention. It's the perfect way to stay updated without unnecessary interruptions. And that's it. You've just updated your Google Drive settings so that shared item notifications come in quietly, quick, easy, and guaranteed to give you more control over your phone's alerts. If you found this helpful, make sure to adjust any other notifications in the same menu that you'd prefer to keep silent. That way, your phone only makes noise for the things that truly matter to you. Thanks for watching.